Okay, removing the door panel on a 2004 Mercury Mountaineer. There are two bolts down here, one there and one over here. They're both 7mm. Those are pretty easy to find, but first, to get this off, to get to the third bolt, we're going to just pry out here just gently. This little cover comes off, this lower cover, and just slides off the handle. Maybe. Now this should come out much easier. You need to take this off first, and then you can kind of lift this up and out like that. Now we have these three plugs to take out and the last bolt right here. Once you've gotten this bolt out and the two bolts on the bottom, you simply lift up and the whole thing slides up and out, and now it can come off, and then you have a plug back here for the switch to come out, and that's it. To go back on, you push it a little bit above the holes, push in, and then slide down. But the key is just that it slides straight up. It doesn't pull out like most door panels with the pop rivets. You'll break these tabs if you do that. So just once you get the two bolts on the bottom, this bolt here, you just pick up and it slides out and then comes off. Going back together, we're gonna push this in place first before this, because this has a little clip that slides in and keeps this down. So we get this in, push it down in place, and then we're gonna get this back, tuck it in. These little tabs get tucked in first. So open the door handle, slide those in, and then we push in, put that in. There you go.